Ever looked at your backyard and wished for a designer look without the designer price tag? Hi everyone, I am so happy to have you back at KiraStyle Garden. Today we are turning trash into absolute treasure with 13 creative upcycling ideas. Let's start transforming your outdoor sanctuary using thrifted finds and a little bit of DIY magic. There is something truly special about giving a second life to an old, weathered wooden ladder. By simply leaning it against a sun-drenched stone wall and nesting several mismatched terracotta pots on each step, you create a living vertical gallery. It is much more than just a shelf. It is a story of growth and history, where aromatic herbs and trailing ivy find a new home to climb toward the warm golden afternoon sun in your beautiful garden sanctuary today. Sometimes the most beautiful things in our garden are the ones we gather from the ground itself. These fallen branches, once forgotten, are now woven together with simple jute twine to form a sturdy, organic trellis. It is so rewarding to watch a morning glory vine slowly wrap its delicate tendrils around the rough bark. This is not just a support structure. It is a natural masterpiece that blends perfectly with the soft, blooming whispers of your lush backyard setting. Imagine turning a stack of forgotten wooden crates into a lush, thriving wall of green. By mounting these reclaimed cedar boxes in a staggered, playful pattern, you transform a plain wall into a vibrant herb sanctuary. The contrast between the rugged, aged wood and the delicate, bright red geraniums is absolutely breathtaking. It is a clever way to maximize space while adding a touch of rustic soul to your garden, making every inch feel intentionally beautiful and very much alive. A few old pallets and a little bit of love can truly transform your patio into a cozy retreat. This handcrafted bench, with its wide armrests and soft floral cushions, invites you to sit down and breathe. You can feel the warmth of the golden hour sunlight as it hits the wood. It is the perfect spot to enjoy a cold drink while surrounded by the scent of marigolds. Comfort does not have to be expensive to feel truly luxurious. As the afternoon light begins to soften, these delicate glass jar lanterns add a touch of whimsy to the trees. Wrapped in lace and tied with simple twine, they capture the sunlight beautifully, reflecting the serene colors of the garden. They sway gently in the breeze like little treasures hidden among the leaves. It is amazing how something so simple can create such a luxurious, peaceful atmosphere in your very own backyard sanctuary during a beautiful and clear summer day. Listen closely and you can hear a gentle, melodic song. These wind chimes, crafted from sun-bleached driftwood and translucent sea glass, bring the soothing spirit of the ocean right to your garden. Every shell and smooth stone tells a tale of the tides. As they dance in the light wind, they create a peaceful harmony that calms the soul. It is a beautiful reminder that nature's discarded pieces can become the most enchanting music in our busy daily lives. Do not toss out those old vintage colanders just yet. With their charming pastel colors and built-in drainage, they make the most delightful hanging planters you have ever seen. Imagine them swaying under a pergola, filled to the brim with trailing fuchsias and vibrant yellow blooms. The way the light catches the glossy enamel is simply magical. It is a fun, quirky way to add height and a splash of personality to your garden's colorful and living outdoor landscape today. There is a quiet, timeless elegance in the way reclaimed bricks define a garden path. Arranged in a classic herringbone pattern, these weathered red bricks create a clean, architectural border that guides the eye through the greenery. You can see the history in every crack and lichen-covered edge. It is a small detail, but it brings a sense of structure and sophisticated charm to your herb garden, making the whole space feel grounded, tidy, and most importantly, luxuriously complete. Adding a bit of height and artistry is as easy as stacking your favorite terracotta pots. These hand-painted totems, decorated with intricate bohemian swirls and bright coral dots, act as colorful guardians among the flowers. The little white ceramic bird perched on top is such a sweet finishing touch. It is an easy, creative project that turns basic garden supplies into a stunning focal point, reflecting your unique style and a genuine love for handcrafted and artistic garden decor pieces. Identifying your herbs should be just as beautiful as growing them. These simple twig markers, with their smooth, shaved faces and elegant handwriting, add an organic, eco-friendly touch to your vegetable patch. There is something so honest and satisfying about using materials found right in your backyard. They stand proudly among the rosemary and thyme, blending perfectly with the soil and leaves. These are the small, thoughtful details that make gardening feel truly special for every passionate home gardener. Nothing says celebration like a string of colorful fabric bunting fluttering against a white picket fence. Made from upcycled scraps of floral cotton and gingham checks, these flags add an instant burst of joy to any garden setting. The way the pastel colors dance in the sunlight brings a playful, light-hearted energy to the backyard. It is a wonderful way to use up those leftover fabric bits while creating a cheerful atmosphere that makes every single day feel quite festive. A garden mirror is like a secret window into another world. Framed in rugged reclaimed barn wood, this piece does not just hang there. It reflects the lush beauty of your lavender and foxgloves, making your small backyard feel like an endless paradise. The weathered texture of the silver gray wood adds a touch of rustic luxury that feels both grounded and ethereal. It is a clever, beautiful trick that brings light and a sense of wonder to your sanctuary. This industrial cable spool has come a long way from the warehouse to your patio. Sanded to a smooth finish and waxed to perfection, it now serves as the perfect sturdy side table for those quiet garden moments. Imagine resting your favorite book and a warm cup of tea right here, surrounded by the scent of fresh daisies. It is a bold, upcycled piece that proves even the most functional objects can find a beautiful and meaningful new purpose outdoors. It is truly amazing how a little imagination can turn weathered wood and old jars into garden masterpieces. From vertical crates to rustic lanterns, these projects prove that style does not have to be expensive. If you found these ideas inspiring, please give this video a like and subscribe to KiraStyle Garden. I would love to hear which project was your favorite in the comments below.